New Zealand Garden Bird Survey, where birds feed. Gardens are like cakes. They are made up of layers. Garden layers. Ground, shrubs, trees, air. Favourite layers. Just as we have our favourite cake layer, birds like some garden layers more than others. Let's explore some garden layers and see who is feeding in them. On the ground, house sparrow, blackbird feed on seeds and insects that they find on the ground. In the shrubs, bellbird, starling feed on the nectar in flax flowers in the shrub layer. In the trees, kiriru, tui feed in the trees on nekā fruits or kowhai flowers. In the air, welcome swallow, fantail catch flying insects in the air. Air, trees, shrubs, ground. What layers does your garden have? Visit our webpage to learn more, gardenbirdsurvey.landcareresearch.co.nz.